Hello friends, and welcome to this new video which we have specially made for you because we are launching our special offer today. And in this video we are going to talk about the importance of getting backlinks for your blogs and website. So stay tuned, stay connected, and this is Great Info Tech for you. And in this video we're going to talk about how, as a beginner, as a blogger, you need to maintain a backlink profile for your website or a blog, because without that your website and blogs will not rank, and that means you will not get in traffic to your website pages, and that means you're not going to make any sales. Okay, so just watch this video first, and now let's ask this question to yourself, that if you do not have a website, then how would you start a blog, right? So mostly or everybody will tell you on YouTube or on the internet that if you do not have your own website, then you can post your blogs on blogger.com. You must have heard about blogger.com, or you can post your links on Google sites. You can create free website on Google sites like site.google.com, and also you can use medium.com. So you must have heard about these three free blogging websites: Blogger, Google sites, and medium.com. Now everybody says that okay, you go ahead and post your articles and websites on those sites, but nobody tells you the reason why. Because the reason is, if you post articles on those websites, it will have higher chances to get ranked on first page of Google. And why does that happen? It is only because they have so high domain authority. So let's start with the website number one, which is blogger.com. As you can see on the screen right now, you have to go to hrefs.com. So check this link here at the top, hrefs.com/backlink-checker. Open this href website on your browser, and then just type in blogger.com. So if you check, the domain rating of blogger.com is 95 out of 100, and it has got these many backlinks and these many different domains. So this is the rating out of 100. So blogger.com has the strongest domain authority in the world, and that is why people say that go to blogger.com and write your blogs. But it does not mean that even going to blogger.com will guarantee that your blogs or articles are going to rank, because Google considers every page as a new page. So let's take an example here. If you go to, let's say we have a page called blogger.com/ABC or D. Okay, now let's check the backlinks for this particular sub page. Now this will take time, it will load, and now you can see here that this domain is 95. All right, because you have made a blog on blogger.com, so it passes the domain rating, but the URL rating is only 14, and your blog have 0 backlinks and 0 referring domains. So even if you're writing things on blogger.com, it doesn't mean that it will transfer all those backlinks to your page, because it's not coming from Blogger. So eventually, if you use Blogger, still you have 0 backlinks, still you have 0 referring domains to your particular page. Okay, but still, because the domain rating is so high, and that gives you the chance to rank on first page of Google. However, if you check other websites like medium.com, let's check what is their domain authority, and it's going to take some time because this must have a high domain authority. So let's just wait. Okay, it's 94. So Blogger is 95, medium.com is 94, and that is why it's recommended to write your posts and blog on medium.com. And also let's go to sites.google.com to find out what is their domain authority. It must be above 92. So let's just wait. Okay, 93. So Blogger 95, Medium 94, and Google Sites 93. So these are 3 high authority websites which people recommend you to write your blog posts on and write your articles on. But this is not a long-term strategy. Let's say you are already a blogger or affiliate marketer, you have your own website. Let's say you have your own website, abc.com, or whatever your domain name is. Now your website will not be having a domain rating of 90 or 90 plus or whatever, because that will take 20 years. If you want your website to have a domain rating of 90 plus, it will take 25 years or maybe more if you don't work properly. So this is not going to happen overnight. So what you need to do is, in order for your website to increase domain rating, so let's assume that today your domain rating is 0 or 2 or 5 or 10. So in order to increase domain rating of your website, what you need to do is you need to gain backlinks. Check here how many backlinks they have, how many referring domains they have. So until and unless you do not get backlinks from the referring domains, so you'll have to have thousands of referring domains and hundreds of thousands of backlinks to get there, to increase the domain rating. So in our service, what we are going to do is we're going to give you a trial, a test of 5 backlinks of high authority domains. Okay, so you must have heard about blogger.com, but do you know how to get a do follow backlink from blogger.com? If you do, then go and get it. If you don't, then stick with us and we will tell you how to get a backlink from blogger.com in cheap price. But if you want to read more about what backlinks are, what is their type of categories, like no follow, do follow, so you should visit this page here and just go ahead and read everything below, and you will be able to see when and how and what kind of backlinks you need to go and buy. And this is everything is safe here. You will have every question answered, and then we have these packages. Now in this trial service, what we're going to give you is we're going to give you 5 backlinks from 5 high authority domain ratings. So let's take an example first. We already told you blogger.com, so we will give you a backlink from blogger.com. You must have been writing blogs from blogger.com all this time, but if you don't know how to get a backlink for your own blog, let's say you have a website abc.com, so we're going to give you a backlink from blogger.com to abc.com, which is your website. So blogger.com is 95. We will give you a backlink, a do follow backlink from blogger.com having domain rating of 95, and that will pass the link to your website. So we'll give you one link from blogger.com. Second is we will give you a backlink from this website called gumroad.com. So if you check its domain authority, let's click on Hrefs. Okay, it's loading. So we'll give you another link from this website, which has got a domain rating of 91. So let's say you have a website abc.com. Now this Gumroad will give you one do follow link to your website abc.com, whatever your domain is, right? So you got 2 links now, from Blogger and from Gumroad. Third will be this website. Third will be free.fr. So you type in and check this thing here, and not a robot. Okay, it's loading, and it's 92. Okay, so we will give you one do follow backlink from free.fr to your domain, whatever your domain is. Okay, so we got 3 backlinks covered. Number 4 is linktr.ee. Let's check this one. It's load. It's 92. So this is another 4th domain. We will give you one do follow backlink from this website to your own domain, to your blog, to your website, whatever it is. And then we have one more, which we will not tell you right now, because we can't show you everything right now. Okay, so we will give you 5 backlinks, 5 do follow backlinks to your own website, and those websites will be 90 plus. So Blogger 95, Linktree 92, then Gumroad 91. So we will give you 5 backlinks in the trial service, because we can give you like hundreds of backlinks, but you will not be able to afford it. Okay, so if you can afford, you can buy 100 backlinks from us, you can buy 500 backlinks from us, you can buy 1,000 backlinks from us, only if you can afford. But in this trial package, we're going to give you 5 backlinks from domain authority 90 plus, and the cost for these 5 backlinks as trial package, this is a special price we're offering for a limited time. It is only going to cost you $30. Trust me, 5 backlinks from domain rating 90 above is only going to cost you $30 if you act right now. Because if you go out there and do your research, you will pay $200 for one link from one website having domain authority of 90 plus. Okay, so if you try to go and buy a backlink from a website rating having 90 plus authority those people will charge you 200 for one backlink, which means if you buy 5, you'll be paying $1,000 for those 5 backlinks from domain 90 above. Here we're only giving you the trial package just in $30, so that you can get these 5 links from domain 90 above just in $30. I have nothing else to say. If you don't grab this copy right now, you will miss the chance of the world, and you know what to call yourself if you miss this chance. Okay, so we will cut this video short now. Watch this video, understand everything on our website, take action, click that buy now button, and grab your backlinks, because if too many people are going to order a service, we will increase our price as well as we will increase our time, because right now the time for the delivery is 24 hours. So you email us your one keyword and one URL, and we will deliver your 5 backlinks within 24 hours. If we have too many customers, which we will, then we will increase the delivery time, which could take 2 days or 3 days. So take action now, first come first serve, and now we will see you in our inbox. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.